ISLच्या तिसऱ्या सिजनाक सुरवात जावपाची आसा म्हण हाची तयारी करपाक FC गोवा पंगडाचे खेळगडे सोमारा दाबोळी विमानतळावेल्यान ब्राझीलाक झिकोच्या अकादमीत प्रशिक्षण घेवपाक भायर सरले. अर्डेक्स खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
First of all, we are excited to go to Brazil for the pre-season, and I'm sure we are going to get best of the facilities over there so that we prepare ourselves for the upcoming ISL tournament. Since all of you all know that we missed out in the finals last year, we will be putting our best foot forward and working hard so that we can be the champions this year.
So it's been very clear to everybody who's followed FC Goa that we had some bit of issue when it came to the preparation, setting up the team. But I think all that is over now. We are back in full mode. We are back in full swing. And most important essentially was the technical side of FC Goa. For me, getting Zico back and he putting his team together. We helped him to whatever extent we could have helped. And I think we are all very happy right now with what we have. Now on a immediate basis, the pre-season becomes very, very important. 25 to 28 days of intensive training, and that too at Zico's own academy. I think it's very, very important. So we are going to utilize it as much as possible. It's going to be a good opportunity for the players, not only from a player's perspective, but also Brazil is home of legendary football. Brazil is home of Zico. To get that bit of inspiration also, to come back a lot more motivated to perform for FC Goa. So that's on immediate basis. We already have seen the fixtures come out. We play our first game on 4th of October away, and we come back and play our first home game on 8th. So we are all excited about it. We are gearing up on all fronts. We've been trying to get our fortress Fatauda ready. We are trying to make sure that our marketing plans are in place and our communication and engagement plan is pretty much active as soon as possible. But on all fronts, I think we are much more comfortable as compared to the